Fast brain boosters are supplements and functional foods designed to improve cognitive functions. These products enhance cognitive function through several key mechanisms. First, they enhance the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that help brain cells communicate. Second, they improve blood flow to the brain, ensuring neurons receive oxygen and nutrients. Third, they provide antioxidant effects that protect brain cells from damage. Finally, they help reduce inflammation in the brain, which can impair cognitive function. Key ingredients in brain boosters include herbs, amino acids, and other natural compounds. Bacopa monnieri improves memory and cognitive processing, while ginkgo biloba enhances blood flow to the brain and provides antioxidant effects. L-theanine, an amino acid found in tea, promotes relaxation while maintaining focus. Omega-3 fatty acids support overall brain health and memory function. Functional mushrooms like lion's mane stimulate nerve growth factor, while NAD+ precursors support cellular energy production in the brain. Nootropics, also known as cognitive enhancers, are substances used to improve brain performance. They come in two main categories: natural supplements and pharmaceutical drugs. Natural nootropics include herbal extracts, amino acids, functional mushrooms, and essential vitamins and minerals. Pharmaceutical nootropics include prescription medications and synthetic compounds designed to enhance cognitive function. Regardless of type, nootropics offer benefits including improved memory, increased mental alertness, enhanced concentration, and boosted energy levels. The brain health supplements market is experiencing significant growth. The market was estimated at $11.26 billion in 2024. By 2025, it's projected to increase to $23.02 billion, demonstrating rapid growth. Experts predict the market to reach $40.65 billion by 2034, with a compound annual growth rate of 13.7%. To summarize what we've learned about fast brain boosters, they enhance cognitive function through multiple mechanisms, contain botanical extracts and other compounds, include both natural and pharmaceutical options, and represent a growing market with strong future projections. Reducing inflammation is crucial for brain health, and certain ingredients in fast brain boosters play a significant role. Inflammation in the brain can damage neurons and disrupt normal brain function. Reducing this inflammation is essential for maintaining cognitive health. Several key ingredients in fast brain boosters have anti-inflammatory effects. The omega-3 fatty acid EPA found in fish oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that protect the brain against damage and aging. Ginkgo biloba is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially enhancing blood flow to the brain and improving cognitive function. Research shows that consuming just half a tablespoon of olive oil daily was associated with a 28% reduced risk of dying from dementia, likely due to its anti-inflammatory compounds. Aromatherapy using essential oils like lavender, bergamot, and tangerine can also affect brainwaves, moods, and sleep. When inhaled, scent molecules impact the amygdala, the emotional center of the brain, influencing different brain wave patterns and potentially reducing inflammation. The market for brain health products is evolving rapidly. There's a growing trend toward more specialized products geared towards either performance or prevention, catering to both healthy aging adults and younger, high-achieving consumers. A major trend is the focus on clean label and natural ingredients in brain health products, with consumers increasingly demanding transparency about what's in their supplements. Increasing awareness of mental health issues and the relationship between inflammation and brain health is driving market growth, along with the desire for natural health products. The brain health supplements market is projected to grow from $11.26 billion in 2024 to over $40 billion by 2034, with a compound annual growth rate of nearly 14%.